Hey, what's going on? It's Henry and Mowers and Bilt. Look who came to visit me again, man.
How you guys doing?
It's Mike from Mike's Lawn Service _ Babylon. Go check him out on Instagram. This is the snowblower that he picked up for free from somewhere, right?
Yep.
And he says the transmission's kind of hinky, right?
Something like that, yeah.
But the engine runs, you said?
Yeah, it runs good, yeah.
So he had it listed for like 150 bucks. Nobody's, you know, tapping him on it, and he's like, nobody's gonna buy it. Do you want it? And I'm like, I want it if you don't want it. Like, if you're gonna throw it on the street, yeah, I want it, because I actually could use that engine, right, to put on that other frame that I got. Maybe, you know, it is underpowered. This is actually, I don't know what this is.
I looked at it, didn't say, so it was like,
Yeah, it doesn't say, but I mean, I guess it could be an 8 horsepower. I'll have to check out the CCs when we get it on. So it's a Toro. I love Toros. There's something screwy with the tranny and stuff, but I think I might just use the engine. If it's a double pulley, then I can't use it. If it's a single pulley, I can put it right onto that other one. If this is a double pulley and I can't use that engine, I'll probably try to figure out what's wrong with the transmission, you know? And then if Mike wants it back, he can have it back to sell, you know? But we'll see what happens. Anyway, we're going to try to get this down without ramps, just with the two of us.
it's gonna be a pain, but...
Oh, you got to do the straps, right?
Yeah. I strapped it in. I know it was gonna go nowhere.
Bro,
Yeah.
look at these baggers you're giving me, man. I love it.
Okay, it's just wrapped around right there. Yeah, I actually found that mower yesterday on the side of the road. Yeah, I found that mower on the side of the road yesterday.
Damn, you find a lot of stuff, bro.
I was getting a new windshield put on at the same time.
All right, hold up. How did you get it on here?
I ran.
Oh,
Me and my brother tried lifting it up. He got lifted up.
Really?
Yeah. Me, you know the kid that was here last time?
Yeah.
Me and him lifted it up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Ready? This is kind of hinky, bro.
Yeah.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's not terrible. It's not good, but it's not terrible. It's pretty heavy, man. And it was missing the chute, right?
No, I actually forgot to shoot at my house.
Don't worry about it. I'm not going to do it. You know, this is actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Actually feels pretty good, pretty solid. Yeah, this is interesting. This might be an 8 horsepower engine, fellas. Because it feels pretty good. It feels really solid. Doesn't it feel solid?
Yeah.
That's interesting. It's old though. Look,
Yeah,
you can tell by the front
definitely
auger. Look at this auger. That's the round cylindrical kind. Oh, you know what, bro? Look. This is an 8 horsepower.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it says 826. 8 is the horsepower, 26 is the clearing path.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool. Hey, it has electric start.
Yeah.
Feels pretty good. Ooh, guess what?
What?
This is a single pulley, which
Hey.
means I could use this engine and that thing. So he brought his snowblower with him. It's a CCR3650. I had like 5 of these in the past. I haven't had one in a while. But I think you could, I mean, if you were going to sell this, you could probably get 150 for it. Other than that, it's decent snowblower, you know? Anyway, so his primer bulb went bad, right? And so I have replacement primer bulbs. So I'm just going to pop this off for him and try to fix it for him. from the inside here, you can jar it loose. It's kind of hard if you don't take this cover off, but I'm going to try to do it without taking it off. It's kind of a pain. And it has to be cold too. When it's cold, it's even harder, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm going to try to pop that off with like a screwdriver or something. So as you saw, I was taking off the primer bulb for Mike's 3650, and I was kind of impatient, you know, and I didn't want to take, because to get to that, you have to take this off. To get to behind it, to get the two tabs to go inward so you can pull the plastic thing off, you couldn't get your hand in there unless you bent the black metal part, right? And even with my small hands, I couldn't really get good leverage to get the bottom clip out. I can get the top clip out with a screwdriver, but I couldn't get the bottom one out, right? Which means that I'd have to take this off. To take this off, you gotta take this off. So you had to take the chute off just to get this off. So basically we just bent it out a little bit so I can sneak my hand in there, and I still couldn't get enough leverage to pull that second tab, right? So I basically used a screwdriver and then I broke it. So after I broke it, I just ripped this damn thing out, right? And luckily, I had another one with that white plastic one with the primer bulb. So we're all set now. We put it together in 2 seconds, and this thing is running good now. He has some ass gas in here. He probably needs to, you know, clear that out a little bit. And then he'll be good to go. You know what I'm saying? Yep. He also gave me this. He found it on the street. It's a Bilt XP. With the 7.75 engine. This is the same engine that goes on the Toro Time Masters, as well as the Weed Eater 1, the little green piece of junk riding mower. But it's supposed to be a decent engine now, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know anything about it. It comes with a bagger. Looks like it has duct tape around it. I don't know if it's the duct tape is to seal holes or just to hold it somewhere. I have no idea. He does have the chute for this, but unless I actually put this thing together to get it running as a snowblower, I don't think I'm gonna need it, but he has it anyway. Hey, don't throw it out.
I won't.
But it looks like, from looking at this 8 horsepower engine, if you look from the top to the bottom, I know you guys can't see it, but it looks like it's one shaft. Oh, there we go.
Tape was holding.
Look at that, fellas. It is one single shaft coming out, one single pulley coming out. I just hope that the diameter of this crankshaft is going to fit my pulleys, right? Then I probably will be able to use this engine onto that Craftsman 827 frame that I have. So that'd be kind of cool. Of course, I don't think we're going to get any snow.
You never know.
We'll see. So that's Mike coming over, giving me this snowblower, as well as that Troy Bilt. He's given me a lot of stuff lately. I thank him very much. Least I can do is fix this primer bulb for him, right?
Yeah, thank you.
See you later. This thing's a beast. It's solid though. Just rolling it around, it feels great. Really solid. Nice wheels. This is missing, the handle fell off and broke. The engagement for the drive of the auger, one of those. That's probably gonna cost a lot to fix, you know. But what I'm just gonna probably do with this is I'm probably just gonna take the engine off and put it on that other snowblower that I have that doesn't have an engine. The engine that was blown when I got it. It's an 8 horsepower, single pulley shaft coming out. I think it ought to work. If not, we'll see what happens, and I'll probably keep the wheels too because I have another Atlas snowblower that has lousy wheels. So if these wheels fit on that, that's another bonus, you know what I mean? It's a solid machine though, really heavy. But it feels like good quality though. So got this Troy Bilt one here. I don't know. Doesn't seem like this would take too much to get going. Maybe. Handle here. The recoil is just out. That's all. Could it be that easy if I just fixed the recoil? Because the handles feel pretty good. And this is a pretty good model too, I think. You know, it's got the speed control and everything. It's got the big engine. I believe it's rear self-propelled too. This one's actually a good model. Seems like it's in good shape. Oh man, 2 more projects to deal with. As long as Mike's around, he's always gonna have stuff for me. So thank you, Mike. I appreciate it, man. That's my video for today. Getting some free stuff from Mike, fixing his primer bulb on his Toro 3650 CCR single stage snowblower. 5 minutes is all it takes to fix a primer bulb, fellas. Easy fix. More equipment. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.